Assalamualaikum. This is Saad and I am student of University of Engineering and Technology, Texla, Pakistan. Here I will give you a Here I will give you a brief introduction on FET amplifiers by using some software techniques. Here I am using a software Capture Lite Edition version 9.0. If you have Capture on your PC, then run the software by going to all programs, Arcade and Capture Lite Edition. Now here you have to create a new project by going into file option, new and project. Now in order to design or make a circuit, you have to add libraries to placeboard option. That is the second option in the rightmost column, placeboard option, then add library and add all of these libraries to place part. Now you can place any element you want to place on the graphic window by just typing its name. That is, if you want to place capacitor, just type C. If you want to place resistor, then just type R, or VDC for DC source and V sign for AC source. This is the model of FET amplifier. Now go to new profile, a new simulation profile. Sorry. Go to new simulation profile, and for FET amplifiers select time domain transient and set run to time of 1 millisecond and step size of 2 microsecond. Step size actually means after how much interval or time your curve appears or repeat itself. In the same simulation settings, there is an option probe window. In probe window option, there are three options: last plot, nothing, and first all markers on open schematics. If you check last plot option, then after running your model, there will be a graph of the last session. And if you check nothing option, then there will be nothing in the graphic window after running the model. Click OK. Before running your model, you must save your model time by time in order to avoid any loss of data. After running the model, voltages will appear on specific nodes and points. That is, if you have checked the icon V. In order to show current on your circuit, check the button I. And similarly, in order to show power on certain points, check the button W. Now again run your model. In this graphic window, if you have checked the nothing option in the in the probe window option in simulation settings, then there will be nothing in this graphic window. You have to trace the plot by going into trace option, then add trace. For FET amplifiers, I have traced the plot between J1D and J1G. That is, here D and G represents drain and gate. The curve in the green color shows the amplified signal from FET amplifier. This signal is due to filtering due to capacitor connected across RL, and the red curve is showing the input signal. This is actually the working principle of FET amplifier, which amplifies the signal, AC signal. Now that's all. If you want to contact me at UET Texla, Telecommunication Engineering Department, or mail me at saad.khokhar@hotmail.com. My Facebook ID is Saad Khokhar and my cell number is 0333 5589119. Friends, that was all. Hope you enjoyed that presentation, and thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.